Microsoft really wants Windows to work as a tablet operating system, and so it has a full range of both inexpensive and quite expensive tablets in the Surface lineup. One of the newest members of this lineup is the Surface Go 2. It starts at $400, and we are going to check out one of the very first units which we just received.
Now, for that base $399 price, you get a Surface Go 2 tablet, which has an Intel Pentium processor and just 64 gigabytes of storage space, and Wi-Fi, but no LTE modem. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. To actually get a more capable Surface Go 2, you can spend a bit more money to upgrade it up to 256 gigabytes of storage, up to an Intel Core M3 processor, and you can also add an optional LTE radio. Let's take a look here. So yeah, basically the front of the device is pretty much like any other tablet, iPad or Android tablet. There's the cameras here, which include infrared cameras to let you log into Windows Hello with your face recognition. Along this side, there's a volume rocker and a power button. And then the bottom here has a magnetic type connector that lets you plug in the optional Surface type keyboard cover, which we also received, and I will open up shortly. Then on this side, you have the USB-C connector, headphone jack, and the Surface Connect port, which is how you plug in Microsoft's proprietary charging cable. And then on this side, you also have the SIM card eject here. Now, the Surface Go 2, like the Surface Pro, has this nifty kickstand here, which lets you set the tablet onto a surface for watching videos, or just as a way to prop it up a bit more easily. Let's take a look at the rest of the stuff that's in the box. You get this handy document cover here with the SIM card eject tool. And then here is the charging cable, which, as I mentioned earlier, let's see if I can get it out of the box here. It's got the Surface Connect port right here to connect to charging. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Surface type cover, which is an optional extra. You do have to pay extra for this. Both the Surface Go 2 and the Surface type cover are available in more colors than just this gray version that we have here. But it's kind of cool because they use Alcantara fabric sourced from Italy, it says right here, which does feel great, although I have noticed on other Surface devices like the Surface laptop that occasionally if you use it for a long time, this Alcantara fabric can get a bit discolored. But here is the keyboard, which includes a touchpad, and we'll just go ahead and connect it here to the Surface Go 2 with the magnetic style connector. And then we'll go ahead and set up the kickstands for the full effect.
So the Microsoft Surface Go 2, available starting at $399, and here it is.